Hello guys, how are y'all doing? It's been a long time, been busy, working all. But today I'm back here with a simple tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to use multiple outputs on one Kontakt player. This is going to save you a lot of RAM. So instead of you loading a lot of Kontakt players, then you just have one and then you use multiple outputs. So I'll just load Kontakt 5 here. Now the first thing is I'm loading in 16 stereo out. So I'm picking 16 stereo out. Okay, so first let me load let me just load vintage keys. Alright, so that's my first instrument loaded. That's the vintage keys. Now I want to load up my solo violin. Yeah, so let me just load solo violin. Alright, now I have my solo violin, but you can still hear just my piano playing. No big deal with that. Let me load something else. Let me load these sticks. Yeah, and my sticks are loaded. So I have 3 instruments loaded in Kontakt. Let me just add one more for doing sake. Alright, let me add the Trap Mafia. Let me pick a plucked instrument and then so right now I have 4 instruments loaded. You can see my E piano, you can see my violin, you can see my sticks, and you can see my Trap Mafia plucked. Now the first thing to do is you click this button right here and you go to your output. Now you can see stereo output. When I play, it's just the stereo output that is working. I simply click here, I go down to batch functions and I clear output selection, and yes. Now you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 outputs, 4 stereo channels. I can still have 1, 2, 3, 4 more stereo channels if I want. So now we are done in Kontakt. Now let's go to the DAW. Now this first track is my E piano. Let me name it. Now all you do is go up to your mixer. I press X to bring up my mixer. You see a plus sign here. 1, 2, 3, because there are 3 more tracks, 3 more channels we need to bring. I highlight all of them. I right click and I create track. Now let me go back. So when I come here, you see my violin. The next track is supposed to be my sticks, and the next track is supposed to be my pluck. So simple. That is how you use. So that's how you use one Kontakt. Alright, so that's just a very quick one. Enjoy. Have a good day. Alright, so that was just by the way. Have a good day. Enjoy. I hope this helps you. Please remember to like and subscribe. Remember to drop a comment. If there's anything you would want me to do for you, please make your request known and I'll do it. Thank you.